Hello friends, welcome back to Invest with Ara. The Excel spreadsheet in front of you is an Excel program wherein financial values of a particular stock is fed to this program, and we arrive at a decision whether to buy that stock at this point of time or not. The stock that is shortlisted today is VA TECH WABAG Limited. We'll be using Stock Edge app to feed financial data into this Excel program. So we go to Stock Edge app and we type VA TECH WABAG Limited. We could see here the price of VA TECH WABAG Limited is 260.90 on 15th of October 2018. Now coming to the fundamental tab, and let's understand about the company. Now the sector for VA TECH WABAG Limited is miscellaneous, and the industry is also miscellaneous. Now let's understand about the company. So we click on the show profile tab under the overview tab. See, VA TECH WABAG was incorporated as a public limited company called Black the Cooling Towers on February 17, 1995 at Chennai. Okay, the company is headquartered in Chennai and conducts global operations through subsidiaries and branch and representative offices. So what does the company do? VA TECH offers complete lifecycle solutions including conceptualization, design, engineering, procurement, supply, installation, construction and O&M services. They provide a range of EPC and O&M solutions for sewage treatment, process and drinking water treatment, effluent treatment, sludge treatment, desalination and reuse for institutional clients like municipal corporations and companies in the infrastructure sector such as power, steel and oil and gas companies. Okay, that was about the company. Now we'll come to the financial indicators, and we'll be using these financial values onto our program. So the market cap is 1417.22 crores, clearly a small cap company. The earning per share is 24.90, a good signal to buy. Price to earning ratio is 10.41. Industry PE is 38.11. We could see here the industry PE is 38.11 and the stock PE is 10.41. Clearly the stock has got 18 points to come to the industry PE, and thus the program has given us a signal to buy the stock. Now book value per share is 208.70. Price to book value is 1.24. Dividend yield is 1.54. So the company is providing dividend, and hence the buy signal. The face value of the stock is ₹2, and the number of shares subscribed is 5.47 crores. Now we come to the return ratio. For that we have to click on the ratios tab under the fundamental tab, and in the drop down menu we have to take return ratios. Now first parameter of return ratio is return on equity, which is 13.63. Return on capital employed is 19.17. Return on asset is 4.12. Return ratio has given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to efficiency ratio. The EBITDA margin is 8.6. The EBIT margin is 8.09. PAT margin is 4.18. Earning per share is 24.06. This is the trailing EPS, that is, one could say that it is the current EPS. Asset turnover ratio is 0.99. Days of receivables is 241.76, and days of payable is 168.65. Days of inventory is 4.05. Now we could see here efficiency ratio has not given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to growth ratio. For growth ratio, in the drop down menu we select growth ratio. The first growth ratio is net sales growth, which is 7.77%. The EBITDA growth is minus 3.39. Net profit growth is minus 14.76. And EPS growth is 28.19. So overall growth ratio has also given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to solvency ratio, the most important ratio for shortlisting any company or stock. The first parameter is total debt to equity ratio, which is 0.43. When we click on 0.43 here, we could see that the total debt is 481.72 crores against the net worth of 1128.66 crores. Although okay, but here our program has given us a bad signal for that. Now coming on to interest coverage ratio, which is 4.85, which is a good signal. And when we click on 4.85, we could see here that the earnings before income tax is 279.57 crores, and the interest that they are paying is only 57.68 crores. Now coming on to current ratio, it is 1.32, which is more than 1 and thus a good signal. But overall, when we see solvency ratio, it has given us a signal to hold on to our investment and not to invest in this company at this point of time. Now coming on to cash flow ratios, under the drop down menu we select cash flow ratios. The first parameter, that is the cash flow per share, is negative 39.48, and free cash flow per share is negative 55.97. So here cash flow ratio has given us a signal to hold. Now coming on to valuation ratio, under the drop down menu we again go and select valuation ratios, and the first parameter is price to earning ratio, which is 20.61, that is good. Price to book ratio is 2.40, which is also good. Price to cash flow ratio is minus 12.56, which is bad. EV to EBITDA ratio is 10.11, and market cap to sales ratio is 0.78. So overall, when we see valuation ratio, it has also given us a signal to buy the stock. Now considering the main signal, here we could see that our program, that is our Excel program, has given us a signal to hold on to our investment at this point of time. Hope you might have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. For any queries, kindly write in the comment section below. Also, if any one of you wants to perform fundamental analysis of any of your stock, then kindly write in the comment section below. Thank you.